Welcome along to another edition of BalloonTube, and today we're going to do the butterfly. Alright, I know you can put bobbly bits here, but I'm making it more like, well, I'll just do it this way, so a variation, and perhaps this shouldn't be in black, or if I do it in pink or blush, and that I don't think it's quite right. So anyway, this is the butterfly, and you can do whatever colour combination you wish. I've just done it in this. Alright, and I'm going to change the colour combination for the wings. So here we go then. You need your black 260. You're not going to use all of this, but I've left about, what's that, 7 or 8 fingers uninflated. You need 2 1-finger bubbles, which you're going to get the knot round the second twist, take the knot over the top, and that gives you 2 pinch twists. The antenna are going to attach there later. Squeeze the air. You need about a 2.5 finger bubble, 2 of those, and then the second twist goes around the pinch twist. You need a 1 finger bubble and then a 1.5 finger bubble. Alright. This twist goes round between the 2.5 finger bubbles, and then you have to, when you bring that over, you have to squeeze the air out of the balloon so it's uninflated, so it goes back to the 2 pinch twist. So you're squeezing the air out of that. So it's, there we go. Around the 2 pinch twists. So you end up like this, and there's an uninflated part of the balloon in there. Hopefully you can't see. You need about a 4 finger bubble for his body and a 2 finger pinch twist. Alright, perhaps I should have made the wings first, because you've now got to attach this to the wings, haven't you? So, but you have to have a spacer bubble. So I'll put that under my arm and we'll carry on with the wings. Alright, I'm going for wild berry, and I've got 4 fingers uninflated. So we do a 6 finger bubble, 6 finger bubble, 2 of those, and twist that around. Another 2 6 finger bubbles. Another 2 6 finger bubbles, twist that around, and then you need a 4 finger bubbles. So for his lower wings, that's a little bit smaller, so 2 4 finger bubbles there, that around, and 2 more 4 finger bubbles. There we go. And wrap that around a few times so it won't come undone. Get rid of the balloon, your favourite method. There we go. Whatever you do, don't fight it. And so it's going to go like this. So this is the bottom part of the wings, the top. Alright. Then, go back to here. You have your 1 finger, squeeze the air, 1 finger spacer bubble, which goes around the centre of the wings. You need another 1 finger spacer bubble, and that goes back to the black pinch twist. Right, now you can just do a 4 finger bubble, a 4 finger bubble here, and get rid of all this, but you will see the knot. So one way of doing it is to deflate that, squeeze the air to the end, have your 4 finger bubble there, tie that back up, and tie that round the pinch twist. Alright, so that will go around there, and then you can get hold of the tie that in a knot. That way you don't see the knot at the bottom of the body of the butterfly. But when you're out and about, get your scissors. When you're out and about, for quickness, you might just do it. So there we go. So let's try and get them the right way round. Right. So you could be looking a little bit like this. And that's the back. And then I'll do a 160 all the way around the wings. So I've gone for Caribbean blue. And we've left about 3 fingers uninflated. Alright, so that goes around the centre of the back of the wings. And you just wrap it all the way just round there. That's why we put the twist there, so it just goes round there. Pull it nice and make sure it's a snug fit, it won't come undone. That just sits around like that. And just squeeze the air, and you do that on all 4. And squeeze the air, and the last one, squeeze there a little bit, make it a little bit softer. And I reckon. Go around a couple of times, deflate this. You can actually tie that in a knot if you wish. Hide it up so it can't be seen. Adjust it all. There we go. Right. So this side looks like our butterfly. And then we need the antenna. So I get a orange balloon, just put a puff of air in it. Alright. And then I probably use about 3/4 of this balloon. So I tie a knot in it here, and I do tie a knot at the other end, because if you can have a knot at one end, you might as well have a knot at both ends, really. Eh? So and then cut off the excess there. Oh, using my scissors again. Goodness. Right, there we go. And on this one here, oh, nearly cut my fingers. Dangerous, these scissors, I'll tell you. Right, so you end up with this. Split that into two, and that goes round the 2 pinch twists at the back of his head. That around. There we go. Adjust them so they look about the same, like so. And just a little bit harder, isn't it? And then we need the eyes. Now his eyes, it's a 1.5 finger bubble, and if you try and split that in two, it's quite tricky. So I always put a knot at the other end as well, and then that bubble's got nowhere to go then. So you just split that into two, like so. Tie that in a knot, cut off the excess. Oh, scissors again, 3 times. There we go. And then you put the on the top of the head where you had the 1 finger bubble and the 1.5 finger bubble. That's where you put the his eyes through. Oh, yeah, there we go. And I quite like his eyes to be a little bit bulgy, and I think that gives him a little bit of character. So here he is. You can adjust him a bit, to make him in different colours and that. And the other thing that you can do as well, you can actually, if you want to put a pinch twist in the back here, but I find that it all sits okay really. So now his eyes, we just do a couple of dots with the black. But you can then, if you want to just put a little mouth on him, with the white marker as well. So let's have a look. Oh, that's about it. There you go. Right, so let's just get the white marker. And you can, there you go. So we can have just a little mouth. Smiley face. There you go. So that's our butterfly. If you could hit the subscribe button down here somewhere, that would be great. I'll give it a little 12 for you. Oh, there you go, a little 12. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again sometime on BalloonTube. Alright, and if you wanted to have a look on Balloon Chat, the forum we run, there are quite a few variations of the butterfly, different wings, etc. And quite a few actually, probably 4 or 5 variations. So you might want to have a look on there as well. So thanks a lot, and see you another time. Bye bye. Cheerio!